What's up, guys? This is me. This is another one. It's the truck. I just pulled it out. I'm gonna have to fix his soon because his is torn up. I'll fix that another day though. But I just made a review on recently, so it wasn't that long ago when he already made a comeback on this channel. But I'll just get this inflation done with and show you how it inflates. It'll be a minute, so I'll sit down. Okay. Here we go. Here it goes. It's slowly inflating. I could tell how it's inflating in person better. I think the more it gets inflated, the more quicker it gets up. So the more the air that gets in it, the more faster it inflates. You see, it's getting faster because it's a little more inflated. It's going faster. The more inflated the blow up is when it's going up, when it's on inflating, the more much it's inflating, the more faster it goes. Especially in a minute when it's almost fully inflated, you can tell. You could tell it's already it's way brighter in the camera. Going faster. You can hear that fan. It's going up. Dad, there's the tree. Every time you're gonna have to fix it on. Yeah. So yeah, there he is. Thanks for watching. Bye.